Delicate surfacing, mold repair, and assembly welding could be done with a laser welder. But what if there was a better solution at a fraction of the setup time, maintenance, and especially cost? The LASE ONE micro welder uses a plasma-pulled arc welding process to produce a laser-quality weld on a variety of surfaces. With the LASE ONE, you get the best of both worlds: the precision of a laser welder and the reliability and affordability of an electric solution. The LASE ONE welds both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, including steel, aluminum, and beryllium copper. Adjust the pulse duration in controllable increments of 1/10 of a millisecond. Then set the welding power based on your application. No welding experience is necessary. Simply feed the welding wire that matches your base material under the torch as you press the foot switch. Use the accompanying microscope or welding helmet to oversee your progress. Contact us today for a sample, an on-site demo, or to place your order for the LASE ONE, the alternative to laser welding.